Hey everybody, I'm jumping right in. I'm showing you that I use the NYX and the Urban Decay and other NYX for my eyebrows as usual, using the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. The blues that I'm using, two like shimmery golds. Couldn't decide which one at first, but you'll see which one I decided with later in the video. I did this video because I just wanted to show you some more color. Like, if you haven't noticed, everything about me is color, and I like using my palettes. Some of my favorite palettes is the Juvia's Place palettes. Like, I love them, ColourPop, Too Faced, Anastasia Beverly Hills, BH Cosmetics. Like, that is basically my whole collection of palettes. Like, I'm really picky because I want to make sure I use them. I don't want to just get them to get them. But anyway, putting the blue in my eyes. I already did like my classic brown up top. I don't know, I think that brown up top is just my comfort zone for blending and everything. Do my blue. Oh, if you ever see me like constantly looking to the side like that in my videos, it's because I'm usually watching TV, because it's really hard to talk while I do my videos. Like, it's really hard just to also do a voiceover too. So I'm just like, I'll film in silence or while I'm entertained and do everything on here silent and sneak in my voice when I can. Yeah, I did one eye, now I'm doing the other. Going in some more with that blue. You see how pigmented this is? Now you do have to be careful with using certain Juvia's Place palettes and certain colors, because it can stain your eyelid. Like, I had it happen before where I put it on so hardcore, it stained my eyelids, and I was so happy that I had, what did I have? It was a product called Green Clean by Pharmacy, and that really helped with getting every little bit of makeup off. Like, I highly recommend that. I'm gonna have that in another video later, like what I use to remove my makeup and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, this is just me going in, blending or doing whatever I do to make it look presentable. Going back in with that palette, I decided on a completely different color for the inner eye. But like I said, it's still the same palette, because I was comparing the two, as you seen earlier, on my hand. And I was like, well, I don't know which one I wanted. But I decided something. Now I'm going in foundation-wise with the Maybelline New York Superstay. You know the bottle. And it is the color 355 in Coconut. Now, I picked this up just because everybody was talking about it, and I was like, well, I do want to try drugstore products, because, you know, my go-to is Fenty, but I'm like, what if I could get something more affordable? But what I realized was that my issue when I go into the drugstore, because everything is affordable, I spend too much money. Like, I just go overboard, and I'm like, I'd rather have it where I can go into a store where it costs a certain amount, my mind is made up on what I'm going to get, versus going into the drugstore all the time and like just picking up everything, being happy with some of it, not all of it. Because this foundation, even though it is nice and I like it, it's like a hint too dark. And I know I have this one, and I have another shade, and that one is too light, and I never mix them together, which it will probably make the perfect complexion for me. But then I was looking on the website, and there's other colors in between, and I was like, that would probably be the perfect complexion for me, but they didn't have it in stock. So I still ran into the same problem of foundation matching, not having it, and still spending like double if not triple the amount of money, because then I became tempted by all the other, you know, affordable things in there. But on another note, now I'm contouring with my Fenty matchstick. Yeah, nothing new. The only new thing that I kind of do now is like the sides of my cheeks. Yeah, I don't know what that would be called. I do that part. And I think I'm going back over my contour or highlight. I don't know why I keep saying Oh, well then I am doing my contour. Oh, no I'm not. See? I don't even know what I'm doing in my video. Oh, okay. Then I am doing my highlight with the Fenty concealer on top. I like mixing both of them. One, because I brought both of them, so why not? And two, because I think they work great together. Like, now I'm just blending everything out with my Eco Tools sponge. I really like that sponge. I love that sponge and the Real Technique sponge. But I like the medium-sized Real Technique sponge, not the extra large one. The extra large one, I have that and I like it, but not as much as the medium. But yeah, I'm just blending everything together. I think this works for me perfectly. Those two, what are they? Highlight shades or concealers, or highlight and concealer together by Fenty. I know I'm going to go in with my contour next. Usually my contour is of course the Truffle Stick by her and the Too Faced matte bronzer. Is that it? Yeah, I think so. You see the packaging when I show it all the time. Like, I use the same things in my videos and switch things up like very rarely, because if it works for me, it works. I still will try new things, but not like that. I just been sitting here letting the video do all the work for you, because I mean, you see it, you see what I'm doing. If you want me to ever tell you what I'm using or anything like that, you can always write to me, ask me a question. Like, I'm probably doing nothing, like, except working, but I'll still always answer. But yeah, if you like what you see so far, please click the like button, the subscribe button. Thank you in general for even watching this far along in my video. Keep on watching, because it's not over yet. I mean, it will almost be over and you'll see the completed look, like how you seen on the, what is it? You know what I'm talking about. I tell you, my brain shut down after a certain time. Just thank you so much. Tell me if you even like me talking in the video again, because I have been doing like a non-talk through where you just see it, and it seemed like I actually got subscribers that way versus me talking. I don't know. Tell me what you like. Comment, subscribe, say something, support me, continue watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. But watch this to the end. I definitely had to get back on here and shout out the lips that I'm wearing are from A Denies Beauty. If that's how you say it, I never actually heard it said properly. I don't know, this is just me. They really create the perfect lip. Now, she is on Instagram because she actually found me, and she is just so nice. I ordered her stuff, it came quick, on time. Like, I really like her and her product. So if you want to give them a try on Instagram, really support somebody else. Like, it's just good for your soul. And again, since now I'm finally about to get off, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and continue to look for me in my next video, and even in my previous videos, because I did some really gorgeous looks. Like, just check them out. Alright, bye.